Hello my dear student, once again welcome back in Krishna classes. As you know, I was started the revision series of class 10 chapter 1 and continuous chapter. I described previous topic in my previous lecture. So let's start the today's topics with me and start your revision classes. So today's topic is types of chemical reaction. What is the today's topic? Types of chemical reactions. Types of chemical reactions. How many types of chemical reactions? There are 4 types of chemical reactions. 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 First reaction is combination reaction. Second one is decomposition reaction. Third one is displacement reaction. Third one is what? Displacement reaction. Fourth one is double displacement reaction. Fourth one is double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction. So let's start the revision of first combination reaction. What is the combination reaction? First is combination reactions. What is combination reaction? According to their name, it is clear that what is the combination? When two or more reactants combine to each other and form a new substance, that is called the combination reaction. I repeat again, what is the combination? When two or more reactants combine to each other and form single product, that is called the combination reaction. Okay, so you have to write here when when two, not one, when two or more than two reactants combine to form a single product. Okay, when two or more than two reactants combine and form only one single product, that is called the combination reaction. Let's see the example of combination reaction. What is the example of combination reaction? C plus O2. What? C plus O2. Given out CO2. This is the example of combination reaction. Here you can see very easily carbon and oxygen. Here two reactants are present, both are combined to each other and form a single product, carbon dioxide. So this is the example of combination reaction. Now come on decomposition reaction. What is the decomposition reaction? What is the decomposition reaction? You can see according to its name it is clear that decomposition reaction is what? In which reaction? In which reaction? In this reaction, one reactant break down into two or more products. Okay, that is called the decomposition reaction. In this reaction, one single reactant break down into their simplest form and form two or more than two products. That is called the decomposition reaction. You can write here, decomposition reaction is what? When one reactant break down into two or more than two simpler product. Simple, or you can say simple molecule. What is the example of decomposition reaction? What is the example? You can take the example of AgBr. AgBr. You can take silver bromide. Example of AgBr. When AgBr break down, then it converted into Ag plus Br2. Okay, you have to balance this. Then you write here 2 and 2Ag plus Br2. So this is the example of decomposition reaction. Next one is the displacement, and fourth one is the double displacement. Displacement is the reaction in which one element push to other element and take the position of that element. And double displacement reaction is what? In which both elements interchanges their position. I will describe this displacement and double displacement again in my next class with example. So for such type of revision classes and all topics you have to cover, then you have to subscribe Krishna classes and join my classes. My name is Surbhi. And what is today's class? I repeat again, what is the today's class? Types of chemical reactions. There are 4 types of chemical reactions: combination, decomposition, displacement, double displacement. What is the combination? When two or more reactants combine and form a single product. Example, C plus O2 given out CO2. And what is the decomposition? When one reactant break down into two or more than two simple molecules, that is called the decomposition reaction. Example, AgBr converted into Ag plus Br2. What is the displacement reaction? In displacement reaction, one element push to other element and take the position of that element. And in double displacement reaction, what happen? Both element interchanges their position and form a new product. That is called the double displacement reaction. So here your revision series is going on. So for the revision classes, you have to subscribe Krishna classes and share my classes to your friends. So thank you so much for watching.